Hi, welcome to Cloud Tech Bucket. So today we're going to deploy HPE VM Essentials on VMware Nested Lab. So I have ESXi server, which is ESXi version 8.0 update 2, and we created three VMs, which will be HPE VM Essentials Hypervisor on top of VMware, and then we will create the nested VM of HPE VM Essentials. So that is our goal. How we can do the POC on virtualizations environment, so that we don't need any physical servers to test it. So in this deployment, we will follow this process. So we'll create three VM and we will add two network interface into each of the VM. The VM NIC1 will be responsible for the ESX, the VM Essentials management, and as well as the virtual machine network. And we will use NIC2 for iSCSI. We have the iSCSI storage here, so we will connect the iSCSI storage by the secondary NIC. So let's start our installation process. So this is my VMware lab. So here I have the physical servers with hypervisor VMware ESXi. So before going to installation, we need to check one thing. In VMware network switch, we have to enable the Promiscus mode and the MAC address changes maybe. So in security, we say security, we'll have to accept this Promiscus mode and MAC address changes as well as force transmits. If in your environment, if MAC address and force transmits cannot be enabled, at least you have to enable the Promiscus mode. So that's our prerequisite. So I have the ISO file uploaded to my data store, and I made a VM VM for the Ubuntu machines. As you can see, Ubuntu Linux 64-bit. So I need to point that ISO file into this virtual machine. Let's do it. So as you can see, I have added two VM NIC. So one for VLAN 200 and another for my VM network. So this VLAN 200 will be used for virtual machines. I mean the HP VM Essentials management, and as well as the virtual machine network. And and the adapter 2 will be used for iSCSI network. So let's point our ISO file. Share part 2. We have these 22.04.5 which is pretty latest, and I have assigned 16 core of vCPU and 32 GB of memory and 200 disk, which is 3 provisioned. Okay, ISO file mounted. Let's power it on. I'm opening console and install Ubuntu server. As I'm installing from the live OS, so it's good to have the internet connectivity to your management network. The language English is fine for me. The keyboard layout is fine. I will install Ubuntu server. Next, then I will configure the IP address as per my need. So this is my HP VME node 3. So for node 3, I have IP address and the DNS entry for this server. So we will follow that IP address link. So my subnet will be 10 10.200.0/24 and the IP 10.10.200.43 and gateway is 10.10.200.1 and my name server IP address 10.10.200.2 and my DNS name. Save. So this is my ENS33, which is my fast nick for VM Essential Management and VM Network. And the second nick we'll use for iSCSI. 10.10.100.0/24 and the IP will be 10.10.0.43. That's it. We'll not use any gateway or any name server domains for these link as it's a layer 2 connections. Then done. We don't have any proxy, so it will test the mirror locations. That's fine. Continue without updating. We don't want any update during the installations. The default text layout is okay for me. Done. And then the format, yes, confirm the format. Here we'll have to use our the name and then my server name. This will be not 3. Any username and the password, and then continue. We can install the open SSH as we can connect to the server by SSH. I don't need to install any package. So during the HPE Essential package, it will automatically choose the package whatever it needs. So we are done. Installation has started. We'll wait for a few minutes to complete the installation. Okay, the installation is completed. Now we can reboot our server. Okay, so it will reboot. So this is our first video for the installation of Ubuntu VM. Our second video will continue from the HPE VM Essential package installations. So please follow us for the second video. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.